I'm your host, Sonny Duke Okosun. Let's go into some of the stories we are following in the political scene this lovely Saturday morning before we go into a major talking point on the show. The outgone sole administrator of Rivers State, Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas, retired, has officially handed over power to Governor Siminalayi Fubara 6 months after the emergency rule. He declared that the mandate given to him by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had been fully accomplished. In a state broadcast, Ibas said his assignment was to restore order in Rivers following the political crisis that led to the emergency proclamation on March 18, and that he was leaving with a sense of fulfillment. President Tinubu had lifted the emergency rule on Wednesday, September 17, with Fubara, his deputy Ngozi Odu, and members of the State Assembly asked to resume duties on September 18. And of course, the Governor Siminalayi Fubara, in the state broadcast yesterday, gave his perspectives on a wide range of issues, but again, enjoined the people of the state to cooperate with him, to support him, so he can take the state to the next level. We're also hearing that the State Assembly is planning to probe the 6 months of Ibasi's reign in Rivers State to unravel whatever transpired within those 6 months, because there's been accusations and counter-accusations over certain actions taken by the sole administrator while the tenure of 6 months lasted. Let's come back home to Edo State. The state is embroiled in a political crisis, so to speak, as an Edo State High Court sitting in Benin City restrained the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, ETSEC, and the state government from going ahead with the planned local government by-elections across 59 wards in the state. Justice Mary E. Esweli, sitting as a vacation judge, granted the order following an ex parte motion brought by the People's Democratic Party, PDP. The PDP, through its councils, Oluwole Osazeuzi, Mike Ekwemuka, and P.W. Akwen, in the suit B/247M/2025, prayed the court for leave to apply for judicial review of ETSEC's decision to conduct by-elections to fill councillorship positions in the affected wards. The party argued that the councillors' tenure remained valid until September 2026, making any attempt to declare their seats vacant unlawful. This case is referred to the Honorable Chief Judge for assignment to a regular court. Return date is 30th September 2025. Meanwhile, the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission says attention of the commission has been drawn to an ex parte order of the Edo State High Court restraining the commission from conducting the scheduled by-election into vacant local government council seats. Chairman of ETSEC, Sir Jonathan Ifowoha, in a statement, however, notes as a law-abiding institution, ETSEC acknowledges the authority of the courts in the administration of justice. The statement observes that the commission has found out that the said order was granted without affording ETSEC an opportunity to be heard, even though the order directly restrains it from performing its constitutional and statutory duties. ETSEC says, in line with its mandate under the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, and the Edo State Independent Electoral Commission law, it has taken immediate steps through its legal representatives to file a motion or notice seeking to discharge the ex parte order and ensure an accelerated hearing of the substantive suit. The statement says ETSEC consequently wishes to assure the people of Edo State that it remains committed to conducting free, fair, and credible elections in line with democratic principles and the rule of law. The Commission assured that the current legal challenge will be addressed through the judicial process with due respect to the courts, while it will continue to protect the democratic rights of Edo citizens to elect the local government representatives without undue delay or disruption. The Commission therefore urged the general public, political stakeholders, and the electorate to remain calm and be law-abiding while the legal process runs its full course. We have on good authority that the councillorship election is on full throttle across the 59 wards across the state. And we hope to be able to link up with some of our reporters to give us first-hand information on how the exercise is going so far. In the meantime, the People's Democratic Party has asked President Bola Tinubu to start preparing for his handover note, saying that Nigerians cannot renew its mandate. Speaking to Saturday Punch on Friday in Yola at the party's state secretariat, the organizing secretary of the Adamawa state chapter of the PDP, Hamza Madagali, said Nigerians had run out of energy to accommodate the present administration in 2027. He said that the All Progressive Congress government had demonstrated a lack of vision and direction of what democracy stood for in the country. Only time will tell if this warning will come to reality in 2027, because whether we like it or not, Nigerians have the right to decide that. And responding to the statement, an APC chieftain, Sheyi Oladejo, dismissed the PDC's chances of unseating President Tinubu. He noted that more people were leaving the PDP every day. Okay, let's move on to our next story. Wike has promised to give Fubara a free hand. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, has declared that he has no intention of influencing the appointment of commissioners or other officials in Rivers State as Governor Siminalayi Fubara resumes office following 6 months of emergency rule expiration. Speaking in a current affairs television program, Wike stressed that he would not impose candidates on the governor, despite speculations linking him to the political crisis that engulfed the oil-rich state earlier this year. The former governor of Rivers State noted that even if Fubara reached out to him, he would only advise him to govern independently. Okay, let's hope that he will match words with action in terms of ensuring that what he has said actually is a true situation in Rivers State.